morning students, I am Swaranjit from Shri Siddhivinayak Educational Trust, Tibbi. My today's topic is fractions. Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of the whole. Fraction is the part of the whole. We take a figure. We divide it into two parts, equal parts. We divide it into two equal parts. One half is represented by 1 upon 2. We take another figure. We divide it into three parts, three equal parts. This is written as 1/3. One-third is represented by 1 upon 3. One upon 2 and 1 upon 3. These are called fractions. Now we read about numerator and denominator. What is numerator and denominator? We take a fraction 3 upon 4. 3. Three is our numerator. Four is our denominator. We take a figure. We divide it into four equal parts. Equal part is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our denominator. We color three parts. We count shaded part 1, 2, 3. 3 is our numerator. Three upon 4. We can write this number in words 3/4. or 3 upon 4 fractions. We draw some circle of same size. We divided into two parts. One part is shaded. Total part is 2. Shaded part is 1. 1 is our numerator, 2 is our denominator. We divided into 4 parts. We shaded 2 parts. Total part is 4. 4 is our denominator. Shaded part is 2. 2 is our numerator. We divided into 6 parts. We shaded 3 parts. Total part is 6. 6 is our denominator. Shaded part is 3. 3 is our numerator. See in the circle, half is shaded, second one is half is shaded, and third one is half is shaded. So these are equivalent fractions. These are equivalent fractions. So these are 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 is equivalent fractions. Study the following shaded part a step carefully. Total part is 2. One part shaded. We write these fraction in right side. 1 upon 2. We divide into 4 parts. 2 part is shaded. 2 upon 4. Total part is 4. 2 is shaded. 2 upon 4. We divided into 6 parts. We shaded 3 parts. Total part is 6. Shaded part is 3. 3 is our numerator, 6 is our denominator. So these are equivalent fractions. Next one is to find equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fractions. Rule first. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Rule first, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, we take a fraction one upon 5. We multiply by same number. We multiply by 2. Two 1 ja 2, 5 2 ja 10. These are equivalent these are equivalent fractions. Rule second. Divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Rule second, divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, three upon 6. We divide into same number. We divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 1 upon 2 is equivalent fraction. Now we comparison of fractions. Same denominator. Comparison of fractions, same denominator. The shaded part is represented by 3 rectangles of same size. We divided into 4 parts. One part is shaded, so we get fraction 1 upon 4. Total parts is 4, shaded part is 1. So 1 upon 4. We divided into 4 parts. 2 parts are shaded. Total parts is 4. 4 is our denominator. Shaded part is 2. 2 upon 4. And third one is divided into 4 parts. Three parts are shaded. Total parts 4. 3 upon 4. From the shaded part, first 2 figure, we compare them. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. Which is greater? One, we compare these numbers. Which is greater number? 1 or 2? 2. 2 is greater. So 2 upon 4 is greater. We compare last 2 figures. 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Which is greater? 2 or 3? 3 is the greatest number. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4. We conclude that if two fractions have the same denominator, the one having smaller numerator is smaller than the other. If two fractions have the same denominator, the one having smaller numerator is smaller than the other. Second one is comparison of fraction. Same numerator. Comparison of fraction, same numerator. Look at the following four strips. Look at the following four strips. The same size shaded portion represent the fraction written on the right side. We take four strips. We divide it into two parts. Half part is shaded. We written shaded portion represent the fraction on the right side. Total portion 2. Shaded portion 1. 1 upon 2. We divided into three parts. One part is shaded. Total part is 3. We represent as 1 upon 3. We divided into four parts. Shaded part is 1. We represent as 1 upon 4. We divided into 5 parts. One is shaded part, so we represent as 1 upon 5. From the shaded portion, we find that 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5. One upon 2. Shaded part is more. Less and so 1 upon 2 greater than 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 greater than 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 greater than 1 upon 5. if two fractions have the same numerator, if two fractions have the same numerator, the one having smaller denominator is greater than the other. If two fractions have the same numerator, the one having smaller denominator is greater than the other. This is smaller numerator, this is greater numerator. So this is greater than the other. Addition of fractional number. Addition of fractional number. Same denominator. We take a figure. We divide it into 4 parts. Total part is 4. Shaded part is 1. Our fraction is 1/4. Second, we divide it into 4 parts. Total part 4. Shaded part 2/4. Next one is we divide it into 4 parts. Shaded part is 3. Total parts 4. Now we add. Observe in figure 1/4. Whole part 1 is a part of whole. Observe this figure. 2 is a part of whole. In third figure, 3 is a part of whole. 1/4, 2/4 plus 3/4. In same numerator. sum of numerator divided to denominator. Sum of numerator divided into denominator. Divide by denominator. What is our numerator? 1 is our numerator, 4 is our denominator. 2 is our numerator, 4 is our denominator. 3 is our numerator, 4 is our denominator. Sum of numerator. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Sum. Sum means add. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Denominator. Denominator is, common denominator is 4. So 2 plus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 upon 4. We note that the sum of two or more fractions having the same denominator is sum of numerators divided by denominator. Fractions. Subtraction of fractions. As we take a strip, we divide it into 8 parts. We take a strip, we divide it into 8 parts. Three parts are shaded. Unshaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unshaded part is 5. Shaded part is 3. Total parts 8. Total parts 8. Shaded parts 3 upon 8. So, unshaded part is 5 upon 8. Subtraction. Difference of two fraction number having the same numerator. Difference of two fractions, difference of two fractional numbers, having the same denominator. Is difference between the numerators. Same denominator. example, for example, 4 upon 11 from 9 upon 11. Four 4 upon 11, subtract 4 upon 11 from 9 upon 11. Which is greater fraction? 9 upon 11. Subtract 4 upon 11. Difference between the numerator. 9 minus 4. Same denominator. Same denominator is 11. Our difference is 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 5 upon 11. Thanks. Have a nice day.